I would like to introduce you to my own business idea called the zwaddle. Think of it as a baby swaddle and a onesie combined, but with a zipper. This next slide, I have drawn a picture of what this zwaddle could look like. It is designed with cotton jersey knit fabric. It's both breathable and stretchable, allowing the baby to move freely. The zipper on the zwaddle starts at the bottom and then it zips up towards the ribs, allowing for easy diaper changing access. And the bottom of the zwaddle is obviously sewn shut so that baby doesn't kick and get its feet out. This is pretty much designed for those moms and dads that don't know how to swaddle in a blanket, or just for easy diaper changing access. The main attraction here is the ease and convenience of changing a diaper pretty much and making sure that the baby is always covered up and safe and protected. As far as pricing goes, it's only $15.99. The estimated production cost is about $3. That's fabric and sewing included. The profit per zwaddle is expected to be $12.99.